Okay, I wanted to provide you sheer proof that it all fits. So I'm going to unzip this section here and flip this over. Here is my blazer. Here is one of the dresses, rolled dresses. You'll see that like some things are folded while other things are rolled. And it's just all in how you layer it and pack it. Okay, and then on this side, you'll see that I have my silk belt in here. And then these are shoes. So I took a package that I shopped in Paris with, and I put my shoes inside of it. So I made sure to get like jelly shoes, something that is easy and flat that I can wear. And then you'll see a purse handle here. And then this is my second pair. This bag was from like a pair of high heels that I bought a while ago. And you'll see again, ooh, that's from walking in Venice. You'll see again that they flatten and it doesn't ruin the shoe. Like it'll come back together. I wore these in Costa Rica and all over Venice. And then you'll see that I have like some things are folded, like my pants. And then I've got bodysuits that are folded onto themselves. I've got a swimsuit, tank tops, really thin shirts that are folded. And then it starts the grand layering. So bra, underwear. Underwear is packed in a Ziploc bag and it's pressed and compounded down. And then I have like some of my purses layered in. A belt that goes with my skirt is layered in. More underwear stuff, but like t-shirts are folded and layered in instead of rolled. And then I have other compact items, Spanx, stuff like that, socks. So nightgown, I made sure that it was a really thin silk nightgown, and it's shorts and a top so that everything could fit, right? So that's it. Oh my goodness. All this stuff actually fits.